Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making pasta two different ways, which is perfect for lazy weeknight meal or if you are looking for something easy and tasty. So let's get started for making some pasta. First we're gonna be making creamy spinach pasta. First, to cook the pasta, I boiled some water and added some salt. Then added 1 cup of pasta to it. Cook them as per the package instruction or on a high flame about 8 to 9 minutes. Then drain the water and keep them aside. Meanwhile, for making sauce, I finely chopped 1 clove of garlic and a bunch of spinach. Then in a pan, medium to low heat, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and added chopped garlic. Saute them until raw smells goes away, about a minute or so. Then added 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You need to quickly stir and cook the flour, else it may burn. Then I added a teaspoon of oregano and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Then goes in 1 and 1/4 cup of milk and mix them well. Cook them until mixture becomes thick and creamy like this. Then I added our chopped spinach and mixed them well. Then to make our sauce extra rich and creamy, I have added half cup of fresh cream and 1/3 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Incorporate everything well. Then to make our sauce little more cheesy, I added some grated Parmesan cheese and a pinch of nutmeg powder. Those are really optional, but I highly recommend you to use it. Finally, in goes our cooked pasta. Coat them well with the sauce and you are good to go. Our creamy cheesy spinach pasta is ready. They are really creamy and cheesy. I hope you're gonna give them a try. Moving on to our second recipe. These are for those who don't like cream and cheese in their pasta and wanna whip up something incredibly delicious. We made this using very minimal ingredients, yet they taste so good. So let's begin making garlic chicken pasta. Here I took 300 grams of chicken breast and cut them into cubes. Then I finely chopped 1 medium onion and grated 4 to 5 garlics and kept them aside. Meanwhile, I boiled some water in a pot with salt and added 2 cups of pasta. Stir them, partially close and let them cook for about 8 to 9 minutes. Pasta is getting cooked. I heated 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a pot. Then added chopped onion and grated garlic together and sauteed them until onion becomes soft and garlic raw smell goes away. Then I added little salt and half teaspoon of chili flakes. In between, when our pasta cooked, I drained the water and kept them aside. Then to the onion mixture, added chicken cubes and little more salt for the chicken. Mix everything and close the lid and cook. Then I added some dried basil and oregano. You can add your choice of fresh or dried herbs or Italian herb mix. Then I added starchy water I reserved after cooking pasta. I used about a cup. Then goes in our cooked pasta. Mix everything well. When everything is mixed well, our pasta is ready to be enjoyed. In this recipe, instead of chicken, you can use prawns, or for vegetarian version, you can use paneer, soy or any other vegetarian alternatives. I hope you are gonna give this recipe a try and let me know how you all enjoyed them. If you tried, please click and tag me on Instagram at nadiskitchen. Thank you so much for watching. See you all soon with another recipe. Until then, stay safe and healthy.